Okay, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing Schoolboy Runaway. Yes, this looks like a horrible game, but this is actually good. So I heard that I heard that like there's an you can actually escape from the house using just by ringing the doorbell. And I'm sorry for the background, like it's very noisy. I cannot afford those microphone stuff, but yeah, so we're gonna start the game and I'm gonna try a challenge mode.
Say hi to home.
Shut up. One attempt. Parents often check the player. Parents immediately run towards the noise. Parents immediately check for quiet noise. Quiet noise. What does that mean? Parents very quickly detect the player. Okay, so this is gonna be extremely hard. Let's see if it's challenging or if it's not. So anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're just gonna skip the cutscene and there's an... Okay, let's do this.
I need to find a way to...
We're on challenge mode. Oh my goodness, it's so dark. Goodness gracious.
I'm coming out now.
Ooh. I heard that we have to... Oh god. Let's hide here. I hope she doesn't have great... I hope she doesn't have great feral vision, or however you pronounce it. Oh my god. She was extremely fast. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. Second time, ring the doorbell.
I'm coming.
Ooh, she's gonna run super fast. Like, check that out. Oh my god. Good thing she doesn't have good feral vision. I don't know how you say it, but whatever. I hope she doesn't have that.
I'll go check if you're fine or not.
Oh god.
You skunk road, where did you go?
I went outside.
How many times do I have to repeat?
Oh my god. What the freak was that? What? Oh my god. How did she know I was there? I thought she didn't have good peripheral vision. Bro. And the fact that when I ring the doorbell, she's extremely fast.
Right now.
Okay, this time we're gonna do it on easy mode because I do not want them to check on me every single time while I'm doing the prank on mom. And so that it's much more easier and it's not dark. Okay, skipping the cutscene, and I know there's another Okay, we're gonna play a prank on my mom. We're gonna be ringing the doorbell for a million times. Oh god.
I'm coming.
Okay, she's gonna come now. Damn, you're slow as freak. Hurry up. Okay, then we're studying like nothing happened. Yeah. It's like nothing happened. Completely normal-ish. Is she inside now? Shut up, Dad. She's inside now? Okay, yeah, she's inside. Okay, let's ring the doorbell again. Second time, here we go. Quickly run. She's coming. It's been 4 minutes. Oh my god. She almost saw me. Okay. Then quickly go back into my room. Studying like nothing happened. And who was that? No one. If you're talking about me, that's no one. That's no one. That's no one. That's no. I still hear footsteps. Okay, I think she's back inside. The only time I'm actually gonna die is that when Dad goes to the bathroom, and then that's like I'm extremely dead. Cause while I'm playing a prank on Mom and the Dad just comes to the bathroom, I'm dead. Okay, third time.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Wait a minute. I don't wanna wait a whole dang minute for this. Oh God, she's running faster. Ooh. Close the door. I'm studying. Oh wait, I have to water the plants. Oh my God, I seriously have to wait. You're a loser, Mom. You seriously have to water the plant. Oh my God. I have to wait for you. I have to dang wait for you.
Why don't you always play like this?
Okay, I'm just checking random drawers even though I don't need any items for this because oh my God, she's done watering the plants. Yes. I'm studying, Mom. I'm totally not sneaking out. I'm totally not pranking you. I'm totally not the one ringing the doorbell. Not my friends outside. Why? I still hear footsteps. I still hear footsteps. I think she's back inside. Please be. I swear, if Dad ruins the run, I am dead. If he goes to pee, I'm dead. She's gonna lose it. Fourth time, and she's gonna lose it already. Oh my God, she has so low patience. Okay. Oh, something's pressing. I'll go to the. If only I could move that drawer to the bathroom door. Why? Why does Dad have to go to the toilet? This makes everything worse. Ew, no, not that. While I'm waiting for Dad to get out the bathroom, I think he's already outside, but whatever. I'm just gonna go dance around my room. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Even though it's not winter yet. I hear footsteps. He's probably back to the room. I hear the door closing. Yep, he's definitely back. Please? Yes. Let's play prank on Mom again. Fifth time! Oh God. Woo! Oh God. Quick. Sixth time. It's gonna be the sixth time. Oh my God, this is actually so challenging. It's gonna go back. Hey Mom, I'm studying. Don't you see me by the window? I'm studying. Yeah. I'm totally... Wait. Honestly, this doesn't even make sense. They think that my friends are ringing the doorbell, but they're literally so far outside. And secondly, that doesn't make more sense because like there's literally a lock to the gate. How are they supposed to get inside, ring the doorbell, and run as fast as Sonic over there? They're literally right there. See, I'm gonna draw where they are. They're literally there, and you expect that they're gonna ring the doorbell when they're really far away, and that the gate is locked. The lock even has a lock in it. Quickly. Do not pee, do not water the plants. Sixth time. Oh my God. Woo! Quickly. Back into my room. Who's that brave out there? It's not me. Why do you have to water? I'm drawing it on my screen so that I don't lose track. Sixth time, okay, six. Look at that bummer over there. Okay, it's so fast. when Dad finished looking at the phone, she was done watering the plants. Like, what? Did you just like sprinkle a couple of water and then you're done? Like, oh, don't worry, the flowers are super healthy. They totally won't. Okay. Okay, good. I don't think Dad went to the bathroom. So it's gonna be our 7th time. 7. Ooh. Oh my god. 7th. I'm gonna write it on my screen again. 7. Okay. I'm not losing track. Hey Mom! I'm studying while standing up. Oh my god. He's actually so scary. Oh, I think she's back. Please be. It's the 8th time. I love how she screams like that. It's like... I have to pretend I'm studying. Enough! Enough! What the heck? I love how they have that Russian accent. It's because they're Russian. Okay, I bet mom is inside. Okay, I bet mom is inside. Let's go. This is the 9th time. We have to ring it 18 more. Oh shoot! Dead. Okay, I made it. I made it. Oh my god. Okay, so I think Dad is outside. I think Dad is done in the bathroom, and I lost track, but this is definitely the 10th time. Yeah, keep screaming, Mom. She's starting to run faster each time. If this is the 10th time, I have to ring it 8 more times. I have to ring it 8 more times until she finally rages, runs, and opens the gate. She has to water the plants. Oh my god. Hurry up. Just sprinkle a couple water on those flowers and then yeah, go back inside like nothing happened. Okay, let's ring it again. Wait, I have to close my door first because you will know that my door is open. 11, 12, 13, or 15. Whatever, I'm losing track. But, whatever. Okay. What? Close the door! Okay.
It's impressive. I'll go to the toilet.
Oh shoot, the door is open. Why would you leave the...
What are the plans?
Alright, go. Sprinkle some water. And you're done, right? You're not even doing anything. You're just standing there. And you call that watering the plants?
Why don't you always play like this?
You call that watering the plants? Oh, she's already done. Yes, perfect. Mom, I'm studying. Totally studying. Okay, it's gonna be the 15th time I've rung the doorbell. Oh god, she's running.
Anyone from an ant or something?
Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I got this. 16.
Forward! Come on!
16. Okay. So far, so good. No way. 2 more? 2 actual more until that she opens the door? No way.
Why don't you always play like this?
17. 17. Let me make sure. Okay. And then, the last one until she finally opens the gate. Hurry up, Mom. Get back inside. Dad, do not go to the bathroom. If you go to the bathroom, then this is the end. This is the end, literally. One more ring doorbell. Just one more. Okay. Woo! Whoa! Ah! Sit down. Are you gonna finally open the door? Yes! 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 Run away! Run away! Woo! 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 Oh my God! Yeah! Yes! 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 We finally made it! How foolish it was to leave the door to the street open. I do enjoy solving puzzles, but I couldn't pass up such an easy opportunity. It took me 20 minutes, but I am glad that I finally solved it. Yes! Okay. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a big fat like and a big fat subscribe. What the? Okay. Anyways, thanks for. This is ruining my outro. Stop. This is ruining my outro. Okay. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.